Hi, today we look at playbooks in Jira Service Management and how they help teams resolve work items faster with clearer guidance. When teams are working on an issue, they are often unsure what to do next. The guidance they need usually lives somewhere else, in documents, chat threads, or other tools, which means time is spent in searching, switching context, and double checking what's already been tried. As a result, work slows down, steps are missed, and it's harder to keep track of what's actually happening. Playbooks bring that guidance into the issue itself. They are step by step guides with instructions and automations that teams can follow to resolve work items faster. A playbook defines what needs to be done, in what order, and keeps a log of what's done as execution happens. Whether teams are handling incidents, fulfilling service requests, or running repeatable operational processes, playbooks help ensure guidance is available exactly where it's needed. In short, playbooks are stepwise actionable guides powered by automation within the context of your work item, which helps bring consistency in response and auditability in the process. Before we dive into how playbooks look in the product, let's start by looking at the roles involved and how they interact with playbooks. Here we have Jordan, an on call agent or responder who uses playbooks while working on issues by following instructions and running automation steps while working through them. And on the other hand, we have Alex, a project admin who could be a team lead, service owner, or an operations manager. She creates playbooks to bring existing processes into Jira Service Management so that actionable guidance is available for her team members during execution. Here's an example of what this looks during the real work. When Jordan opens a work item, he finds Playbooks section with all the relevant configured playbooks that are already available. The playbook lays out the steps for him to follow. Some steps guide him with instructions to carry out manually, while others can run actions directly using automation when he clicks on run. As these steps are completed, the progress is captured in the execution logs along with details and the output. This allows Jordan to focus on resolving the incident without switching tools or having to figure out what to do next. These playbooks are curated by Alex by translating existing processes into actionable steps. In Jira Service Management, playbooks are created and managed in the space settings. When creating a playbook, Alex adds steps that define how the work should be carried out. Each step can either be an instructional step, which provides guidance to the agent, or an automation step, where an automation rule is selected to run when the step is executed. Once all these steps are defined, Alex can then define where the playbook appears using various filters and JQL so it shows up in the right context. This is how Alex creates playbooks for her team members in 3 simple steps. To help teams get started faster, playbooks include templates that can be used across different scenarios, from operational workflows to service requests and HRSM. These templates can be customized or extended using automation, including third party integration actions to fit your organization's needs. Playbooks are available on Jira Service Management Premium and Enterprise plan. If you don't see playbooks in your project, check if you're on the right plan and that the feature is enabled from the space settings. By bringing guidance, automation, and execution visibility directly into the work item, playbooks help teams run their processes more consistently and faster by spending less time figuring out what to do and more time actually resolving the issue. Thank you for listening.